Hello children, this is your workbook exercise. Swiss Leaf 9. The heading is Lego bricks. Here, the models shown below are designed using Lego Digital Designer. Here you have to identify and write the name of the brick for the ones marked in red color. Okay. This one we have to do it in the lab, then only we have to find out. But if you have system in your home, you can search and do it in your home system and you can write the answer. If you don't have your system, you can write the answer. Once you come to school, you can work out everything and you can do it. Okay. So here there are so many types of bricks they used here. So see the first picture. Here the clamp 1 into 2 is used here. Then left plate 2 into 3 W angle. Okay. Then column 2 into 2 into 11. Then window 4 into 3. Then door of the frame 2 into 6 into 6. Okay. So these all are the type of bricks they used here. Okay. Once again I will tell. Clamp 1 into 2. Left plate 2 into 3 W bar angle. Column 2 into 2 into 11. Then window 4 into 3. Then door for the frame 2 into 6 into 6. For the second picture, here also we have to find out only the red markings. Roof tile 1 into 2 bar 3 comma PZ. Then tire 17 comma 6 into 6 comma 24. Okay. Then angle plate 1 into 2. Then facet brick 3 into 3 into 1. Here once you do it in the lab, no, when you go and keep the mouse pointer, it will show the name. Okay. Then Swiss Leaf 10. Guess what can you build? Show the below or the group of bricks. Identify what can be built from the sets of bricks shown below. For example, boat, car, like that. We have to see the picture and we have to find out. Now see this picture. So by this group of bricks, we can build. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is robo. Okay, by using these bricks, we can build robo. Then see the second. Here also, a set of bricks are given. So with the help of these, we have to build bulldozer. Okay. Then Swiss Leaf 11. Label the bricks with their appropriate name. We have done one of them for you. Already in your book, one thing they done. So the first one is brick 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Second one, brick 1 into 1 W, 4 knob. Okay, that is the 4 knob. Third one, brick 1 into 3 into 2 W bar, ins and outs, bow. Okay. Then fourth one, 2 into 2 W, bow and knobs. Then the fifth one, brick 2 into 2 W, bow and knobs. These all are the types of brick. Okay. Then sixth one, bowed brick 1 into 3 into 2. Then seventh one, brick 2 into 3 W arch. Eighth one, curved brick 2 knock. Then ninth one, roof tile 1 into 3 bar 25 in. Then 10th one, brick W dot bow 1 into 6. Okay. So children, if you have book, you can write it in your book. If you don't have your book, take your rough note and write the answers. Okay? Thank you.